Good morning, students. I hope all are well and safe. Today, I am going to start a new lesson, that is Chapter 2, Population. Students, do you know what is population? Yes, population means the total number of persons living in an area of land. Okay. So, the population of an area such as a village or city or country consists of all the people living in that area. Got it? We know that a country may have abundant and varied natural resources like minerals, water, and fertile soil. People are considered to be the most important resource of a country. Students, do you know what is the reason? Yes, this is because of people convert these resources into their necessary resources. Thus, farmers, miners, workers and professionals are needed to grow crops, bring out minerals from mines, build roads and houses, and run factories, offices, banks, etc. Got it? That is why population play a vital role in our country. People who give a country its literature, music, art, and culture. And it is people who impart education and skills to other people. So, people are considered to be the most important resource of the country. This resource is known as human resources. Students, what is human resource? Yes, human resource is people who work to produce goods and services, give a country its literature, music, art and culture, and impart education and skills to other people. Correct. Now we can learn about size of population. Students, according to the total number of population, countries of the world have been divided in three categories. They are overpopulation, underpopulation, and optimum population. Okay. So, what is overpopulation? Can you say? Yes, overpopulation is a condition in which the population is so large that the available resources are not enough for all the people to get basic necessities. Students, can you name basic necessities? Yes, food, water and shelter. Correct. To live a comfortable life, we need various resources: food, clean water, homes, jobs, and amenities such as electricity, healthcare, and education facilities. In an overpopulated country, all the people do not have enough of these resources. Example, country like India, China, Pakistan, Bangladesh. It means number of population is more than the available resources, isn't it? Suppose a country with a small amount of resources has a very large population. Clearly, there will not be enough resources for everyone, and people will have a very poor quality of life. In an overpopulated country, people won't get basic necessities such as food, water, and shelter. So, students, can you give any suggestion to improve their quality of life? Yes, the people's quality of life can improve if the population decreases or if more resources can be made available by some means like using better technology. Now we can learn about underpopulation. Can you say what is underpopulation? Yes, underpopulation is a condition in which the population is so small that there are not enough people to utilize the available resources. Correct. So, the number of population is less than the available resources. Got it? Generally, food, shelter, healthcare and education are available to everyone. Okay? Canada, Australia, Russia are examples of underpopulated countries. In an underpopulated country, more resources can be made available and the quality of life can improve further if the population increases. This is because the population is so small. Correct. Students, we generally think that relatively small countries with large population are overpopulated and large countries with small populations are underpopulated. But overpopulation and underpopulation depend not so much on the size of the population as on the country's resources and the ability of its population to utilize those resources. So, students, they depend a lot on the skills, awareness, technical knowledge, health, etc. of the people. We know that only healthy, educated and skilled people can utilize resources efficiently and contribute to the development of their country. Okay? Students, now we can do some exercises. First question, what is population? Yes, the population of an area such as a village or city or country consists of all the people living in that area. Next question, what is human resource? Yes, people are considered to be the most important resource of a country. This resource is known as human resource. Next question, define overpopulation. Yes, overpopulation is a condition in which the population is so large that the available resources are not enough for all the people to get basic necessities. Students, today's class is over. Read the taken portion well. And a simple reminder for you about the TP. Today I will conduct it sharp 5 o'clock. So get ready for it. Thank you.